Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today again I'm going to discuss gold US dollar and euro US dollar. We will be finding out some trading opportunities, some of the buy levels, some of the sell levels. So hopefully if you watch you will have a good idea about these markets. So today I will also be finding a very nice setup on the New Zealand US dollar. So stay with me, that's a very bonus trade I should say. And let's see. So right here what gold obviously did is today I covered on the news in the live stream. I will be giving the link of the live stream in the description. It is full of information, and today I practically have shown you how to actually take a trade. What are the things that I look for as a confirmation, and full of knowledge that is make sure I don't do live streams every day, but today it was a very important day. I hope if you see that you will learn a lot of new concepts. Let's delete these lines, and I like to work on fresh charts. Let me quickly add this epic pen, and let me quickly check it as well. I will not be taking too much time. It's almost 1 a.m. right here. The video got late a little bit, but anyways, so right here my friends, what gold actually did. Right here if you see, this level was on my radar list, most of you know, for a buy, and clearly I have mentioned that today focus on buy trades rather than sell trades. So those who focused on buy trades made good profits. This was the zone. Also those traders who focused on the sell, they also on the intraday, even this recent one, 36 pips of trade setup, and similarly right here it was. All of these things I have discussed live. So I will be sticking with the H4 daily, weekly, monthly, and we'll be find out, not monthly, sorry, but we'll be finding out that where potentially this market can go. So first of all, this was the trend line, and I want to explain it from the beginning a little bit so that our minds get refreshed. Very simple trend line we have right here, followed by a very nice trend I should say right here. If you see, from 1931, a very nice drop, the sell trade I discussed. So those who are looking for sell opportunities, they can take sell opportunities. Those who are looking for buy opportunities, look for buy opportunities. But remember that your uh, entry should be precise. Okay, you should know how to take those trades. So blindly don't trade anything. Right here if I see, this is currently going up, and on the daily time frame if I see, and as I'm discussing it just like that day before yesterday, what I said was that market is now on this impulsive wave on the daily. Now like it is not 100% guaranteed that it is going down, right? So don't put any blind sell trades at this current price. This level 1847.79 is for those traders who are already holding a sell position from there, right? So the long-term trader I want to say. So obviously on the daily I want to study the candlestick a little bit. Right here if you can see, even that day I have highlighted this point that if we see these three candles, each and every time it go near 1930, it rejects from there, rejects from there, rejects from there. 1930 28 zone, So obviously this rejection helped us identify these two candles, and on the intraday levels they gave very nice sell opportunities. This was one story I have discussed in the previous video, and what I'm going to look for on this particular market at the moment is, just like today I have demonstrated on the 5-minute time frame live, or maybe 1-minute time frame it was, I have clearly mentioned my strategy is like simply this is like this. Oops, this is X to A, this is A, this is a correction, and this is C to D. This is one situation. So I want to tell you that this is obviously now the point B, right? And it become the A. So this is the A. Oh, oops. Let me do it once again. I'm not going to edit this video, so pardon me for that. This is the situation, right? And let's have a look at this. This is X, right? And this is A, this is B. Now if you have seen my today's live stream, you will know that at point B is my 61.8% retracement, and obviously this is C, which is also 61.8% retracement. But there is one thing that I also practically did it today, and what is that? Let me show you. Since this is a 61.8% retracement, once the price bounced off from right here, so when the next time it came near this zone, ideally it should either create this bottom and the market should rally, or it should go down and complete this whole story just like it did on the H4. I will be making a video tomorrow morning. I will be uploading a video. Make sure to check it out if you can. So got it, this one, this concept. Now coming back to these charts. Now you must be saying, where is the X to A? There is right here, X to A. Let me show you practically, and also let me show you that where is that story completion level. The story completion level is right here, okay? But here is one tricky thing, and that is market was supposed to bounce off from 61.8 as per my formula, but it did not. So the strategy is giving me 1847, right? So either the long-term perspective I'm discussing at the moment, so either this current market creates this bottom and continue back up just like it did right here. There was this ABCD pattern, C, A, B, C, D, and this was A, B, C, and obviously that's the D. Got it? It did it in two waves, so that's why I'm considering it. Anyways, so either a double bottom right here and then the continuation, but there is a long story. So at the moment on the daily there are no clear signs of buy, because you know I always look for those opportunities which give me enough signal. Now you must be saying that, hey Aftab, what about this pin bar it has created? Well, I'm not saying it is a pin bar. It is not a valid one, right? It might be a valid one, but in order to study this whole area, let me do it this way. In order to study this whole area, what we need to do is we need to move to the H4 to find out what actually happened there. because if you see, we have technically got a break of structure right here yesterday. Today it went up, right, being rejected by the price. So it means there is on the H4 two probabilities. What are those probabilities? The first one, since there are other waves as well, but I just want to take this one. And one more thing, I will be looking for what? I will be looking for, if the Fibonacci is broken today, then tomorrow will be a little bit of challenging as well, right here if you see, because obviously I will be waiting for the market to push back up. But no doubt gold is bearish at the moment, and any buy trades we have from the top, we will be closing it as soon as possible at break-even point. Today I took very nice and fantastic trade opportunities. Even I took one long-term trade on the gold. I closed that in profit as well, but I couldn't kept it long term because I have one position right here. So let's delete this now and let's have a look at it. In the previous video I said this is going to be a good buy zone, and for the sell opportunities I have discussed this 19, it was like this. I was looking for a sell opportunity near 1938, but then the market continued back down till here, and then I was looking for 1935, and then today after looking at this, it is now showing me 1932. So if I sum up this whole thing, let's delete this 1935 and let's highlight this whole area and just have a look at it. It is a very key level, my friends. A very key level it is. So as per this plan, this is standing at a buy. Those traders who took buy trades, the stop was right here around 200 pips, and it seems it's going back up, right? That pin bar obviously. But there is one thing, market may most likely be creating a double bottom, whatever it did. But gold, unless it closes below 1903, most of you will remember when I was saying take a sell trade, take a sell trade right here. You may remember I said take a sell trade. Personally, I couldn't took a sell trade. Why? Because I was on this story and I will be on this story. See, I'm bullish. So obviously 1932.83, luckily if it go there today, tomorrow, Friday, then there is a good chance the market is going to drop from there once again. So good trading opportunities can be found near these levels. Now I want to adjust it a little bit like this, and I want to switch to the H1 to find the day trading opportunity. Two levels I will be giving for the sell and even for the buy. If you are looking for some quick type of sell trades, like quickly 20 pips you want to get, try to find out that potential trade opportunity near 1915. If you want 50-60 pips, then for a sell, this level is also very nicely, just have a look at it, very nice. So from 1920 I should say, and this setup should, like, this is a whole setup of around 114 pips, but let's see how much it gives us. I want to add one more lot with stop below. Stop I will set later, or let's do it now. 285 pips, and the TP will be 241. Okay, 200. So this is gold, and this is the long-term trade opportunity, remember. Okay, Since we have got a rejection today, so I'm just setting a stop loss of 123 pips and a TP of 241 pips. It was a very nice buy zone, so those who watch my videos and who took profits, that's good. And these levels can also work as a reversal areas, right? So this is the plan for the gold dollar. Now moving on to the euro US dollar, same old situation right here. On the H4, have a look at it. What I said in the previous video, this trend line I drew yesterday gave 58 pips, then a sell was discussed, clearly mentioned that this is a sell area, and try to find out that confirmation, which was right here. If you can see, do you see this one? Let me zoom in and let me show you this candle. Remember, you will need candlesticks, okay? You have to read candlesticks properly, otherwise things will become so much messy for you. So what was the confirmation? These two candles, just have a look at it. Slightly the body is a little bit bigger. Even then this buy trade was discussed, very nice, fantastic. This sell was discussed, and right here this failure, if you see, was indicating a sell, and it did. It went down, and since the buyers wanted to take it from right here, it is now approaching back to 1.07681, right my friends? Now on the H1, if you see, okay, this is H4, so H1 is right here. On the H1, some this is already in a buy, okay, and I want to also add one more position. Practice trades, these are okay, with a stop of around 18 pips. Oh, let me increase it a little bit. Okay, let it be here, 18 pips, and a TP of right here 63 pips. But there will be some problems, and that's why I'm switching to the M15. Where will those problems be? The first problematic area, try, anyone can look for some quick 15 pips or scalping level right here, 15 pips around. Then this level, this should give at least 24 pips. Since day trading I'm discussing, and overall the market should take a retest of 61.8% retracement. So setting this TP right here, 18 pips of SL and 57 pips of TP. 18 pips of SL, 57 pips of TP. Now remember, if you trade this way, my friends, you will never get stuck. Why? Because even today in the live stream, what I have discussed was that why the stop losses we set. We set it so that we protect ourselves. If it hits, it hits. Don't take, we shouldn't take it on our hearts, right? And the master sell plan will be from 1.07023. Dollar yen, again I missed it today. I have a sell right here with stop should be right here, okay, near 66 pips of stop loss and 145 pips of TP. And if the stop loss is hit, I will not be worried. So move on to the New Zealand US dollar. Well, actually on the weekly, first of all, let's see, This is a 61, but let's see if it broke that 61 or not. Well, we can say it is on the edge. It is on the edge. So daily suggests what? Daily suggests, let me find out the failures. The first failure occurred right here. No. The first failure occurred on this trend line. See. The consolidation zone. And a drop. Boom. What's next? Market is no doubt bearish. It is bearish on the daily. We have got several rejections from the top, several rejections from the bottom. So I am titling this whole area as a sell zone 0.59445. I'm not saying take a sell trade right here. Sell setup can be found right here. And the buy, obviously, that will be 0.58602. In between, very choppy market right here. So in between, I don't recommend to trade. But on the H1, on the day trade opportunity, if we see clearly ranging, okay. So tomorrow, this level will be so much important for us. Buy setup, anyone who is looking for easily 50 60 20 pips, 25 pips, you can make it from here tomorrow if you don't want to keep it overnight. If you want to keep it overnight and for long term, then for long term buys, where will be the TP? The TP will be right here on the completion of this ABCD pattern. Around right here. And you can see two rejections even from this level. So a very nice and fantastic sell opportunity this was. Now as per the formula suggests us a buy from right here and a sell from there. Very simple, my friends. I'm not sure why people don't understand it. It's very simple. I traded it today in front of you, the gold. So same as this. Every instrument is the same. Most of them are the same. Chart patterns might be different, but Forex is Forex, chart is chart. Huh? So this sell, who took it, I discussed it. Who took this sell trade made good profits. What I did on it, I did nothing. I made good profits on gold. So friends and traders and the students and everyone, earlier when I started to trade 2016, I used to avoid such choppy markets. So I'm deleting now this, and this plan will be right here with me as a sell zone, as a buy zone, and quickly make 150 pips of profit and leave the market. When I say this setup made 800 pips of profit, it is a 400 pips of TP. Those are long term, my friends. In one day that's not going to happen. I did it today in front of you. Made around 120 pips live. At the same time I took sells, at the same time I took buys. And even I'm not an intraday trader, I'm an investor. So I request you, please learn this strategy. You will all will make my life easy. We can build a community of successful traders and we can make good profits. How will that be possible? With discipline and with correct understanding of the strategy. So these were some of the thoughts. I hope it will help you, and if you have any questions, do ask me in the comment section, or If someone is interested, I can facilitate one more client and I can adjust the meeting time. That's not a problem. I am displaying my WhatsApp number. You can contact me and we can start a new relation, because there are people who have left their jobs for forex and now they are crying. Why? Because they didn't learn it properly. Last night I received a message, $15,000 one person has lost in one day. So when it comes to the mentorship programs, people say, oh, this is, if he's a trader, why he's charging fee? My friend, my time will have, like, I can spend that time with the kids. And tell me a person who hates money. Right? And one more thing, I am an analyst. I analyze the market. I find places where to take sell trades, where to take buy trades, and I have a specific technique that if I teach to anyone, I'm sure that person will be happy. So it was a no rush video today. Thank you so much everyone for being here with me. I will see you tomorrow, most probably in the live stream. Most probably, I'm not promising, but maybe. So till then, take care of yourself, a lot of care of yourself, your accounts. Don't blindly trade, my friends. Please say, don't blindly trade. Understand these things. And even I have now simplified the method, and even I'm searching new ways and methods to let you understand this strategy. A simple one: support, resistance, Fibonacci. So more on this later. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.